Hi dear Sagittarius, how are you guys doing? So this is a general love reading till mid of April for all the Sagittarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Okay, so we will tap into your partner's energy and your energy, and we will see what the outcome will be. Okay, so right now your partner's energy is Four of Swords. I feel like right now Sagittarius, your partner is holding back a lot. They are in the healing phase. They are not maybe talking to you that much, or maybe not at all talking to you, but whatever it is, they are right now in the healing mode, Sagittarius, and they are, I don't think they are right now willing to open up or say anything or commit to you anything right now. Okay, and how your partner sees you. Page of Swords. Your partner sees you as somebody who is very practical and who might be manipulative, little manipulative. They feel like you are kind of a person who guides their life by their mind, not by their heart. So Sagittarius, basically they are feeling like you are spying on them, and you are the type of person that uh, don't take hard matters seriously. You play by your mind rather than your heart. Okay, this is what your partner feels about you, or how they sees you. They see you as somebody who is a stalker maybe, or who is somebody or somebody who stalk them on Facebook or social media or whatever you say electronically. Not like stalking them like physically, but yes, you are doing that and they are feeling it. Okay, and what they feel about this relationship, this is the Five of Pentacles. They feel left out in this relationship. They feel like you're walking away from this person, and they feel like, yes, they can feel the difference in the energy when you first met them or when you had a relationship with them, and now there's a huge difference in your energies after from the first day and now. And they can feel it that you're walking away from this person or this relationship, or might be they are walking away from you, I don't know, but there's somebody who's walking away from the other person, and they can feel this energy in that. Okay, what they want from this relationship, the Fool, they want a brand new beginning, brand new start with you in this particular relationship. Because what I feel is they don't want to know about the consequences, they don't know about they don't want to know about the future, they don't want to know about what is going to happen between you guys in the future, or there will be some kind of disagreements or conflicts or confusions or whatever it was. They are just ready for a new beginning with you. They feel like you're walking away and they want you back in their life, and that is why they are now ready to have a new beginning with you, a brand new start with you. The outcome from their side is the Six of Cups. I feel like for the time of for old time's sake, or you can say because you guys share a bond from past, or maybe you guys had a long connection with each other. Maybe you guys were just friends till a time came when you guys felt like there's something in between you guys, and then you left each other, or there is no communication at all. Whatever the situation is, now they are missing you a lot, and they want this beautiful energy back from you, and they are coming back to you. So this is somebody from your past. So Sagittarius, this is somebody from your past that is coming towards you, and they are ready for a brand new beginning with you. So we will clarify the outcome. Six of Cups. So Six of Cups is clarified by the Five of Wands and the Eight of Wands and the Nine of Pentacles. So Sagittarius, what I can feel is you are ready to have a brand. Your person is ready to have a brand new beginning with you. They want to leave the conflicts behind. They want to leave the quarrels behind. Whatever happened in the past, and now they are ready to communicate. So there's back and forth communication coming in for you. There is lots of communication coming in for you. Nine of Pentacles. They are in this zone of now stable zone of mind. So right now they're feeling like, yes, I'm stable enough to understand what is going on and what the other person is saying to me. Now they are ready for a brand new beginning with you, because they feel like there is a connection that is holding you guys together. Maybe a past life connection, maybe you guys had a history together. Whatever it was, now they are ready for a brand new beginning with you, Sagittarius, and this is a very good energy. Okay, so I feel like you might be dealing with a Gemini. Okay, Gemini, lots of air energies also here, so you could be dealing with some sign of Libra. I don't know. So the signs are not specific, the energy is specific. Okay, your energy, the Lovers. Sagittarius, you love this person. Okay, you are in love with them, but you are not able to make a decision whether you should stick to this person or let them go, or you should be in a relationship with them or not. Whatever it is, Sagittarius, you have to take a decision, and you are feeling from inside that, yes, I have to take a decision regarding this particular person. might be there was something in the past that made you think like, no, this is not the right person for me, but you are still in love with them, you are still very very attracted to them. Okay, how you see your person is the seven of swords energy. You feel betrayed by this person. I feel like Sagittarius, you feel like this person betrayed you in the past, or they hide something from you in the past, and they are not the right person for you, and they are very manipulative. They play mind games or whatever it is. So right now also you feel like, what if they will stab me in the back again? What if they are hiding something from me again? What if there's lots of what ifs going on in your mind, Sagittarius, right now regarding this particular person. What you feel about this relationship is the Ten of Wands. Although you are feeling very very burdened about this relationship, from this relationship, by this particular person, you are not giving up on them, you are holding on them. You are feeling like, yes, there could be something. One part of you is saying, no, don't go for this person. The other part that is heavily telling you to go for this person, to talk to this person, because although you are feeling burdened by them, but still you want them in your life. You want to take an initiative. You want to uh, go with this person and see what will happen in the future. Okay, but you feel burdened. Okay, and you feel like giving up, but somehow you are not giving up. Somehow you are feeling like, let's give it another chance. This is your part, this is your heart, what is that is telling you. What you want from this relationship is the Queen of Cups. You want this relationship to be emotionally stable, emotionally balanced, emotionally on the uh, on the balanced road, on the balanced path. So right now I think there's lots of disbalance going on between you and your person, and that is why you need a balance in this relationship, and that is why you are feeling burdened as well. Although you're feeling burdened, although you're feeling very very stressed about this particular person, you are ready for a new start. You are ready to give it another chance. Okay, but I don't feel like you are doing it till mid of April. This is the outcome from your side. This is the Nine of Wands. This is the outcome from your side. This is telling me that you are very very guarded, that you are not giving this relationship as much as you should. Okay, or you are not doing it deliberately, because you are feeling like, okay, let's give it another chance, but don't waste your energy, but don't invest all your energy, all your money, or all your emotions to this particular relationship. You feel like guarded. You feel like, okay, I will open up, but very very slowly, not like, okay, I'm in love with you and all that bullshit. You are not going to do that, Sagittarius. You are very very guarded. You have put your walls up, and you are raising your standards regarding this relationship. Okay, and this outcome of yours, this is Nine of Wands, is clarified by the Hermit, Page of Wands, and the Nine of Swords. The Hermit, yes, I'm telling you, you are guarded. You are doing a lots of healing. Healing doesn't mean that you are going to some spa or something like that. This is internal healing that is going on, internal talk, internal disputes, and settling down the internal conflicts. So you are going through a lots of healing right now, Sagittarius. Then Page of Wands is here. Then after this healing is done, you will be ready for a new start, a new beginning, a new passionate beginning. But you are kind of not investing everything of yours in this relationship. And finally, Six of Swords. Finally, you are moving towards calmer phase in your life, calm and a peaceful phase in your life right now, till the mid of March. So from your side, from their side, there is lots of communication coming in. There is stability coming in. There is an offer coming in, and they are ready for a brand new beginning with you. Okay, although they tried to walk away from you in the past, or you walked away from them in the past, whatever the case is, but they are definitely coming in, and they are missing you a lot, because Six of Cups energy is telling me that this relationship holds a past connection as well. Okay, and from your side, the outcome, although you are feeling love, you are feeling like you love this person, you are still attracted to them very much. Still, you are guarded, and still, I don't think you are going to open up as much as they want you to be till the mid of March. Okay, so I pulled another card from the Love Oracle deck, and the past energy is heartbroken. So you were deeply hurt. You were in a separation. You were grieving, mourning something. This is what is happening, Sagittarius, in the past, recent past, you can say. Right now, the current energy is kisses, unconditionally loving, giving and receiving affection, falling in love. So right now, both the parties are falling in love eventually. And the future, the near future is a phoenix, new phase, rekindle, transformation, changed mind. Okay, so in the near future, this will happen to you, Sagittarius. There will be a transformation, there will be a growth and expansion. This is a good energy. The phoenix is a good energy. So that's all about your love life, Sagittarius. I hope this will help you out in some taking some kind of decision. I hope. And thank you so much for listening. God bless you. Namaste. Do subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comment section below if I can change anything in my readings. I know I'm not that much fluent in English. I know that, but I'm trying my best to deliver the messages. Sometimes the throat chakra got blocked. Sometimes the communication got blocked because we talk a lot. Okay. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sagittarius.